Hey guys, it's Ronny, CEO and founder of Drippy Everywhere. Today is going to be your first review video of the clothing lines channel, DUW Media. So as you may know, I recently launched my DUW Cosmetics category on the Drippy Everywhere, which provides unisex lip scrubs for both men and women. And I wanted to do a video of kind of like me applying it, how to do it, before and after, and kind of like just overall talk about the product overall. It is morning. This is kind of like my morning routine. I'm trying to do a little lip scrub today, going on a trip today. But yeah, this is the Black Eyes Mint lip scrub, and I also have a strawberry daiquiri lip scrub. Yeah. So this is how it looks. These are $8 on our website, and these should last you a bit because it's a good amount too. You know, I want it to be a good amount, not too little, not too big either. But yes, so this is mostly what, you know, product itself. It has a sticker on the front, it has DUW Cosmetics, and then a screw on kind of scenario here for the top, which is really cute. I really like it. But yeah, this is me before. This is gonna hydrate your lips, take off any dead skin, as well as like make them feel soft. It is more of a natural kind of you know, formula recipe, so it is sugar based. But it is the best thing to do, really. More of a natural for your lips. But yeah, stay tuned for more products coming up from Drippy Urban Cosmetics. I just wanted to do kind of a little overview. Like I said, these are $8 on our website at drippyurbanwear.com. And yeah, without further ado, we'll start with the lip scrub. So I usually like to start by putting some water on this a little bit. Right? Just a little bit of water. Okay, and then I'm using the Black Eyes Mint lip scrub, and with just one finger we apply it. The consistency is it's not too thick, it's not too light, which I like. It kind of gives you more of a handful to apply easily than other. So you just want to rub in a circular motion, and this has more of a minty taste, so it feels very refreshing. You almost feel kind of like that minty feeling in your lips for a bit, which is something that I like myself. It definitely doesn't last long. I would say like a minute or less, but it definitely gives you that like fresh, minty, kind of, you know, smell and taste to it, because it does smell like mint overall. And this is perfect for, you know, just the summer coming along, and you know, exfoliate your lips and all that. Okay, I also just rub it out like this. So it kind of dissolves out too as well, and it's also safe to eat. I wouldn't, you know, just go and fully eat the whole thing because it's not meant for eating, but it is safe to, you know, if you do swallow more or two, that's totally fine. But I think it's good right now. Can't really see it because it's more of a light scrub, light color. If it's right, you can see it more. But let me rinse my lips. as you can see, there it goes. See, they already feel a little more plumper, clean and hydrated. So yes, I'm definitely loving this product. I wanted to start with something more you know, just tired to the, you know, the seasons and so overall. I know also wearing a mask and all that, like you know, you seems to be kind of breathing your own air and all that. So this side of the area of the face needs a lot of more cleaning than usual overall, just because of COVID and everything that's happening. So definitely make sure you know, you're doing some lip scrubs here and then. Definitely do some face scrubs, because that will help you. Because even me myself, as you can see, I'm breaking up a little bit, just because of the mask overall, having to put it on for so much time overall as a period. But yes, this would definitely be something you guys need to look into. DUW Cosmetics at Drippy Winter. And yeah, I will definitely have another video with another person trying it, you know, so it's not just me kind of doing the review. But this is kind of concludes the video. My lips feel a lot more soft and clean. I feel like I took all the dead skin off, so this is great. But yeah, guys, this is kind of like a little, you know, talk about the product, try it for you guys. And yeah, like I said, we have the Black Ice Mint lip scrub and we have the Strawberry Daiquiri lip scrub, which is going to be the other one that we're going to try it on probably later this next week or something. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone's doing well and staying safe. As well as stay tuned for more videos coming up in this channel. I know we kind of just been focusing on just release videos for collections, but I want to do more also of like reviews and like giveaways and stuff like that. So definitely stay tuned for more videos coming from us. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, like, subscribe, share. And yeah, I just wanted to do a little review of the lip scrub, kind of me trying it, you know. Until next one.